Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix unable to add phone number. First thing first, get logged into your Steam account. Select your username, select account details. Make sure that you are under account details. You will see contact info. You will also see add a phone number. Go ahead, click onto it and add a phone number. For some reasons, if you're not being able to do it via your application, open a browser, get logged into your account and repeat the same process. Now, if you're still not being able to do that, open your app again, and then select Help. Select Steam Support. In here, select My Account. From these various options, select SteamGuard Mobile Authenticator. Select My Issue is not listed. Now you can go ahead and write your issue. Type in that even though your account is a good one, you are not being able to add your phone number for some reasons. Once it is, so if you have a screenshot that you would like to attach, select Attach File, then select Send. Then you will receive an email for solution. Thank you for watching. We will catch up in our next upload.